Hello, welcome you all in this tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will discuss line command in Fusion 360. Here I am discussing the first method to create a line in Fusion 360. First, go to the create sketch, select create sketch. Then you have to select a plane to create a line. I am selecting here this plane. Then select the line command from here. Then place a point from where you want to start your line. Here I am selecting this origin point as a first point. Then you have to select the next point to create a line. Then your line is continuing until you press this right button. If you want to continue your line command, then simply just like this. And if you want to exit from your line command, just simply press this right button. You can also create a line by simply pressing L from your keyboard. It will automatically select the line command. To create a line, you have to select a plane as mentioned in the previous method. Here I am selecting this plane. You have to specify a start point. I am selecting this point as a start point, and you have to specify the next point. And if you want to create simply a 100 mm line, you have to enter the length of the line 100 mm, and it will create a 100 mm line. In the third method, you have to simply right click and you have to select this sketch. Then you have to select line. Then simply select the plane as mentioned in the previous method. Then again select any point, create a line, and specify the next point. It will create multiple lines you can create. Now I will discuss the editing of the line dimensions. First, go to the create sketch, then select any plane. I am selecting here this plane. Then go to the line command, select the line command, then place a point, then drag your mouse. Two numerical values will appear on your screen. One is the length of the line and the other one is the angle. If you want to create a line of 100 mm length at an angle of 60 degree, simply press the tab. It will come on the next numerical value and put the value of angle 60 degree. It will create a line of 100 mm length at 60 degree. If you want to edit the length of the line, just click 2 times on the dimension and put the exact value of the length, that is 80 mm, and press enter. If you want to edit the value of angle, just click 2 times and put the value of angle, that is 50 degree. It will create a line of 80 mm length at an angle of 50 degree. Let's talk about some example. Here first example is the equilateral triangle of 50 mm sides. First go to the create sketch, then we have to select a plane. Now I am selecting this plane. Then go to the line command, select the line command, place first point, then enter the length of the line, that is 50 mm, then click, then drag your cursor. Now enter the length of the sides, that is 50 mm, then press tab, then enter the value of angle. For the equilateral triangle is 60 degree between two sides. Then click, then drag your cursor to the initial point to draw a equilateral triangle of 50 mm sides. It will create an equilateral triangle of 50 mm sides. If you want to exit the line command, press Escape from your keyboard. Next example is to draw a square of 50 mm sides. First go to create sketch. Then we have to select a plane. Here I am selecting this plane to draw a square of 50 mm. Then go to the line, select the line command, place the first point, then drag your cursor, enter the value of side, that is 50 mm, then click, then drag your cursor up to 50 mm, enter the value of the length, that is 50 mm, press tab, then enter the value of angle between two sides. For the square, the value of angle between two sides is 90 degree. Then click, then again drag the cursor up to 50 mm length. Then press tab, again enter the value of angle, that is 90 degree. Then again click, then drag your cursor to the initial point. So by using the line command, we created a square of 50 mm sides. Thank you for watching this video.